Have you ever trusted someone so much that you stopped asking questions? Meet Ritu, a smart, independent woman from a respected business family whose dream venture collapsed not because of bad ideas, but because of a blind spot, ignoring financial oversight. And the one professional who could have saved her? A chartered accountant. Ritu grew up surrounded by the rhythms of business. Her father, a seasoned entrepreneur, taught her more in the family office than she could ever learn in a classroom. She knew how to manage cash flow, reduce overheads, and understand margins. She was disciplined. She was sharp. She was prepared. But life had a different test in store. When she married Mitesh, a creative and ambitious man with big dreams and no business background, Ritu followed her heart. Together, they decided to start a business from scratch. They entered the book publishing industry, a sector untouched by technology in their region. With heavy investment, they brought in the latest printing machines and positioned themselves as pioneers in central India. Ritu handled local clients and day-to-day operations. Mitesh, he traveled, marketed, pitched, and pushed the vision forward. Their teamwork was magnetic. Contracts flowed in. Profits looked strong, but behind the glow of success, cracks were forming. Ritu trusted Mitesh completely. Every bill he submitted, she approved. Business expenses? Cleared. Travel allowances? Paid. She never asked for breakdowns. Never questioned the strategy. After all, Mitesh was her partner in life and in work. But slowly, the publishing industry began to shift. E-books, digital content, online self-publishing. What once looked like innovation now became liability. Machines lay idle. Orders slowed. Revenue shrank. Yet expenses continued to rise. Ritu, busy handling operations, missed the big picture. Their business was bleeding. The letters came quietly at first. Reminders from the bank, notices of overdue EMIs. Then, the pressure exploded. Vendors stopped supplying. Employees began quitting. The bank moved to seize their assets. And one morning, Ritu stood in an empty office, reading a legal notice declaring their business bankrupt. The emotional toll was unimaginable. Guilt, shock, anxiety. Ritu, who once balanced books with precision, now faced the harsh reality. They had lost everything. And not because of laziness or lack of ambition, but because they never had a financial safety net. This is where a chartered accountant, a CA, could have made all the difference. Let's explore how. 1. Financial planning. A CA would have helped Ritu and Mitesh chart a roadmap, forecasting income, understanding risks, and building a buffer for changing market trends. 2. Debt management. Cast know how to restructure loans, consolidate EMIs, and negotiate with lenders. That growing debt pile, it could have been controlled with strategy. 3. Cash flow monitoring. While Ritu managed expenses, a CA could have shown her the bigger picture. Declining revenues, poor receivables, unsustainable marketing spends. 4. Financial literacy. A CA doesn't just manage money, they teach. By educating clients like Ritu, they reduce confusion, anxiety, and poor decision-making. 5. Emotional support. Yes, cars also help with stress. They're not therapists, but a good CA understands that behind every number is a human life. They listen, they guide, they help rebuild. Today, Ritu is rebuilding, smarter and stronger. This time, she has a chartered accountant by her side, because passion and vision are vital. But without financial wellness, even the brightest dreams can collapse. If you're an entrepreneur or even just starting out on your financial journey, don't wait for disaster. Invest in advice, partner with a CA, and make financial wellness part of your success story. If this story moved you or reminded you of someone, share it with them. Don't forget to subscribe for more real-life financial stories and tips from the world of money, stress, and transformation. Hit the bell icon. like, share, and comment your thoughts. Until next time, take care of your finances and yourself.